Welcome to my free 7-day funnel tool. Skyrocket your affiliate commissions today. What you're looking at right now is my ChatGPT prompt, and you can gain access to this and all tools that you're going to see in this video in the video description box directly below. But I'm going to show you how to use this tool and a couple products that I'm going to use for this demo, or a couple ClickBank products. I'll show you that as well. I'm also going to show you my single email funnel tool. That's if you want single emails, long, lengthy emails, storytelling emails, you can come over and check that out. That's free as well. I'm going to give you a link to all this, plus an email headline generator as well. So check out that video description box if you like what you see in this video. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. Now I'm in this is the name of my prompt. It's a 7-day story-driven email sequence for affiliates. This prompt creates a 7-day email series to promote a product in Gary Halbert style. He's a legendary copywriter. Using a conversational tone to highlight pain points, offer solutions, and drive action. Each email is designed to engage readers with clear sections, building anticipation, and creating urgency. All right, that's what that prompt does. And the directions I'm giving it right down here is that I need 2 7-day email funnels. I am an affiliate, and I am promoting Ted's Woodworking and a health and fitness product called Nagano Tonic. Please entertain and inform and make each email lengthy and packed with value with a clear call to action at the end. My affiliate link is, and then that's the name of my site, where you're going to find the other free tool I'm going to show you after this demonstration at instantsalesfunnels.com. So I'm going to click enter here and let it work its magic, and we're going to go over this. Here we go. And it's working its magic here. Funnel one, promoting Ted's Woodworking. Day 1, we got introduce a problem. Subject line, frustrated with do-it-yourself projects. Here's the truth about woodworking. Then you got, hey, your first name, have you ever started a woodworking project only to find yourself staring at a half-finished mess, wondering where it all went wrong? You're not alone. So many do-it-yourselfers dream of creating stunning furniture or unique crafts, only to be let down by vague instructions or the wrong materials. I've been there, excited to build something amazing, but stuck with more sawdust and then success. Here's the thing, the problem isn't you, it's a lack of clear step-by-step plans designed for everyday people like us. What if I told you there's a way to fix it? A way to build gorgeous products without the frustration, wasted materials, or trips back to the hardware store? Stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll share a resource that can transform your woodworking skills overnight. Talk soon. Your name. And then tomorrow I'm going to reveal a game-changing solution to your woodworking woes. Don't miss it. And you delete that CTA right here. Day 2, reveal the turning point. The secret to effortless woodworking success. Goes through another. Day 3, introduce a solution. Subject line, 16,000 plans to transform your woodworking forever. And then you got your affiliate link right here. Day 4, explain the unique features. Affiliate link. Day 5, share social proof. Subject line, how Jason built a stunning table with Ted's plans. And we'll read this one too. Meet Jason. Jason was a beginner with big dreams of building his own dining table, but he had no idea where to start. Then he found Ted's Woodworking. Using one of Ted's plans, Jason built a beautiful table in just a weekend. No wasted wood, no frustration, just results he could be proud of. He said, I never thought I could build something like this, but Ted's plans made it so simple my family couldn't believe I made it myself. And Jason's not alone. Thousands of woodworkers have transformed their skills with Ted's plans. Then there's your call to action, your affiliate link. Your story could be next. Cheers. Join thousands of happy woodworkers today. Click here to explore Ted's Woodworking. Day 6, create urgency. Subject line, don't miss your chance to transform your skills. Day 7, the final push. The last chance to build your projects you've always wanted. And the next is going to go into so you got a full 7-day email sequence promoting this particular product with your affiliate link, obviously. And then the second one, I'll just put go ahead. And it's going to do the Nagano Tonic one. Here's funnel 2, promoting Nagano Tonic. Day 1, introduce a problem. Feeling tired and sluggish. Here's what might be missing. And then you can see this here. It's going to come out with a nice little informative medium-length email that's going over and selling the benefits of this particular product, which is Naganu Tonic. It's kind of hard to pronounce. Naganu Tonic. Day 2, reveal the turning point. Subject line, the secret to restoring energy and shedding stubborn pounds. This one's a little longer email, and it gives some benefits of it. Day 3, introduce a solution. Meet Naganu Tonic, your shortcut to better health. It's got your affiliate link right here. Day 4, explore the unique features. Subject line, why Naganu Tonic stands out from the rest. And you got your affiliate link right there. Day 5, share social proof. How Sarah rediscovered her energy with Naganu Tonic. Day 6, create urgency. Act now. Don't let this opportunity slip away. And then day 7 is the final push. This is your last chance to feel amazing again. So it's got a whole... I just created 2 7-day email sequences for 2 potential products that I could be promoting as a ClickBank affiliate. This is going to obviously work for any product that you want to promote as an affiliate. And... so it's an excellent tool. Like I said, you can grab that and the link in the video description box. We're going to go back to my main tool. This creates called instantsalesfunnels.com. You're going to click this link right here. Access your free 7-day email funnel and headline generator now. You're also going to get a headline generator as well. So it's going to create the best headlines. I got an awesome prompt put together. It's going to create clickable headlines to go along with your emails. So you're going to get that as well. So go and pick that up. That's how you're going to get access to that prompt and the headline generator. It's going to be up top here. So step 2, you don't have to sign up for your email if you don't want to. Just go to step 2. And I already have this filled out. And I put Salehu Dropshipping as an example. It says, tell a story about Salehu Dropshipping and how it helped me build my business in record time. Put my affiliate link in there, and then your email go to entertain, drive conversions, and sales. And it comes up with how I went from 0 to hero with Salehu Dropshipping. And it tells an awesome story. This, if you want to do just single emails, you check out this tool. It really does a good job. And these are going to be a little longer form than the 7-day one, for the most part, unless you tell it to make the emails longer. But this creates excellent emails. And here's the subject, how I went from 0 to hero with Salehu Dropshipping. Hey, first name, let me take you back to a time not too long ago. A time when I was stuck in a 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of a life where I could work from anywhere, sipping coffee on a beach, while my business thrived. Sounds dreamy, right? But back then it felt like a distant fantasy. Then one fateful evening, I stumbled upon something that would change my life forever. Salehu. I clicked the link, and what I found was like discovering a treasure map in an old pirate's chest. Salehu is not just another dropshipping platform. It's the ultimate toolkit for anyone who wants to break free from the shackles of a boring job. With their incredible directory of suppliers and comprehensive training resources, I felt like I had been handed the keys to a vault filled with golden opportunities. I dove headfirst into the world of dropshipping. Armed with Salehu's insights and resources, I set up my online store, and within weeks I was making sales. The thrill of seeing those notifications pop up on my phone was intoxicating. I remember the first time I made my first sale. My heart raced like I had just won the lottery. But it wasn't just about the money. It was about freedom. The freedom to choose my hours, my products, and my lifestyle. I was finally living my dream I thought was just a fantasy. No, I want you to experience this life-changing journey too. If you've ever dreamt of starting your own business but felt overwhelmed, let me tell you, Salehu is your answer. They provide everything you need to succeed in the dropshipping game, from finding reliable suppliers to understanding market trends. So are you ready to take the plunge? Click the link below and start your adventure today. Don't let fear hold you back. Your dream life is just a click away. Join me and countless others who have transformed their lives with Salehu. And then it gives you a PS down here is really cool. Remember, fortunes favor the bold. Take that first step and watch your dreams unfold. So all you got to do is come on over here, copy it. If you want to do single emails, you don't need the whole 7. The whole series done for you. You want to do single ones, you're going to be using this tool, and you're good to go. And you come over, all you got to do is refresh the page. Obviously, refresh the page, and then if you want to do another email, you can do that as well. But excellent tool. So instantsalesfunnel.com, and if you want that 7-day prompt I just showed you, along with the headline generator, you're going to sign up right here. Just put your email address in here, and you're going to be good to go. Click Get Instant Access Now, and I will send it over to your favorite email address. So you're going to get all those free tools that I just showed you, except the headline generator. That's kind of a self-explanatory. I'll send the link to that, but it's going to be basically a tool exactly like this. It specifically creates headlines for your emails, so for your affiliate emails. So 2 excellent tools. Stop in and check them out. Build professional prompts. So geared for affiliate marketers. So if you like what you see in this video, click the like button. If you have any comments, want to ask any questions about any of these tools that you've seen in this video, feel free to ask below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on my over at instantsalesfunnel.com, playing around with these tools and creating some cool, entertaining emails that are gonna engage your readers, drive them to click on your affiliate link, drive them over to the sales pages, and those sales pages are gonna convert. If the product's good, obviously, are gonna convert those people into more sales in your affiliate account. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.